Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you best WordPress plugins for food bloggers. So if you are a food blogger, then stay tuned and I will show you some of the best plugins for you. So as you can see, the first plugin right here is called VP Tasty or WordPress Tasty. Now here you can basically show off your recipes the easy way with this customizable recipe card plugin. It makes you look good and your recipes look even better, as you can see right here. Obviously, you can give your readers everything they need, through your recipes. This is great if you want to display recipes on your website. It's really straightforward, right? So as you can see, you have up-to-date structured data required to stand out in the search results as well. So this is also SEO optimized for those of you who are wondering. It's an easy to use solution that fits seamlessly with your idea to publish workflow, as you can see right here. So overall, it's a great plugin, especially for a food blogger. The second plugin is called VP Recipe Maker, another plugin which is kind of like the first plugin that I showed you right here, but this is a commercial plugin. So this plugin is free but offers additional paid commercial upgrades. To be honest, I like Tasty recipes a bit more, but I wanted to also mention this plugin right here. The third plugin on this list is Yoast. This is the best plugin for SEO, hands down. So if you want to go and rank in search for your food terms and food blogging terms, then you will need to use a Yoast SEO. It's a great plugin. It will help you, especially for beginners. It's great because it will help you optimize your listings and optimize your websites and everything on your website. So this is a must-have for anyone that is in the blogging space, especially food blogging. Now, next up is VP Rocket. This is great plugin for your cache, for basically speeding up your website. So if you want to speed up your website, this plugin is probably the best. Obviously, this comes at a price of $120 to $300 a year if you want the full-on plugin. Obviously, you can also pay product updates and support for one website. This is also something that you can do if you just have one website. But overall, this plugin is really self-explanatory. It basically speeds up your website loading time and basically everything like that, optimizes your images, stuff like that. Now, when we say about optimizing the images, next plugin is called Short Pixel. This is again a great plugin if you want to optimize your images, because if you're a food blogger, you have a lot more images on your website than usual bloggers. So you can go and you can optimize your images with Short Pixel Image Optimizer. This is great if you want to just shorten the images and just optimize them to have less megabytes on your website. Now, next up is called Updraft Plus. This is great for backing up your website. Obviously, if you have a lot of recipes on your website, you don't want a hacker or someone to destroy them. So you can basically go and you can back up your entire website. This is something that I recommend to anyone, not just a food blogger, but really anyone who is doing online websites and affiliate marketing, food blogging, and blogging in general. Now, the last plugin on this list is Aximet or Aximet. This is anti-spam or spam protection plugin. It just protects your website from not getting comments that are spammy and not getting scammy comments or something like that. So as you can see, the best spam protection to block spam comments and spam in the contact form. So this is something that you will need if you want to grow a food blog on a bigger level. Obviously, sometimes you will get people commenting nonsense, so you just have to go and block them. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best WordPress plugins for food bloggers. If you want more videos just like this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.